It's Cruising Jules, and we're getting ready to board our 14-day cruise from Buenos Aires to San Antonio, Chile. We're going on Princess, in particular the Sapphire Princess. What happens if you set sail with Princess this year is they will mail you your medallions. You pay $15. So that's what we did, because the benefit of that is you bypass all the traffic at the port. Even if you have an elite, you're still gonna have to stand in line to get your medallion. So this way we figured we're buying time for $15. We have the medallions in our hands, and this is what it looks like. Check this out. There are our medallions.
So Julie, I have one question. I have no idea, what is it a medallion for?
Oh, okay. So if you haven't cruised with Princess or cruised in general, it's a cashless society. And your medallion is basically your boarding pass. It gets you in and out of your room.
Oh, okay.
You can pay for things on board. I mean, food and your meals are included. But if you want to buy something at the gift shop, you could go to the gift shop. You just approach them with your medallion and your information shows up. And if you want to go buy a cappuccino in the piazza, there's a piazza there.
Oh, okay.
And there's like a 24-hour cafe.
Mm-hmm.
And you could get treats and all of that. That's all included with your cruise fare. But if you want an espresso, cappuccino, latte, that has a surcharge unless you have a drink package.
Okay.
So the neat thing is when you're approaching, they already know who you are before you get to the till. So they just say Karen,
All right.
and then you don't have to sign anymore, you know, like touch the pen that everybody else touched.
They do look easy to lose.
Okay, one other thing.
They're small.
When you're walking to your cabin door, you're going to see when we get on the ship, you don't have to swipe your card anymore. Your door, as you approach your door, it's like click, and then the door is unlocked for you, and it has your name showing up on the pad.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So you're not fumbling to find it.
Oh, okay.
Like how many times has that happened?
Wow. You just stick that in your pocket.
When you get on board, there's accessories you can buy. So you could buy like a wristband, or some people buy a necklace or a bracelet, whatever. I'm not going to do that. But usually they come with a lanyard. So let's see what's beneath here.
Explain to people the different colors.
Mine's black. So you have a choice when you're picking out your medallion. You could get it based on your loyalty level with the cruise line.
So.
I'm elite with Princess, so I get some perks. Karen, this is your first Princess
Novice.
cruise, so you get that one. And that's their logo. That's the Sea Witch logo. You've probably seen that painted on their ships, and if you've ever watched The Love Boat, that's the logo. And remember what I told you about those tote bags? Usually they give you a tote bag, and when you bring it on shore, and then you can kind of see, oh, that person's from the ship. When we went to Iguazu Falls in Argentina, I said, I brought my tote bag that day. I said, I bet you we'll run into someone who'll say, hey, are you on the ship? And then sure enough, we did at 2:30 in the afternoon waiting for our jungle tour. That was Becky and
Zeke.
Oh, Becky and Zeke. Okay, so then it's a box like that.
I should have brought a lanyard. I didn't know.
I should have brought a lanyard too, but I'm thinking there should be one in here. There is one in here.
Okay.
Yeah, because they usually give you a lanyard. Here's our lanyard. I love this ship. That's their new slogan right now. I love this. You'll probably see it on their advertisements, which it's true. I do love it. All right, we're going to get ready for our day in Buenos Aires. See you later.